Hi everybody, it's David Lee of Vital Health again. So this is our second video for those of you who have a Kangen machine that I got you. The machine has finished the 3 hours cleaning, the e-cleaning. So it says cleaning is finished. Please remove the cap from the secondary hose. So the cap, right, secondary hose, I don't know if you can see that. Let me just bring the camera down. Okay, so the secondary hose with the cap, as you can see here, I'm going to take it off. Okay, some water's going to come out. Then hit OK. Please remove the cleaning cartridge and reinstall the filter. Alright, so the cleaning cartridge, which was the cartridge that had the cleaning solution, is pretty well empty now because it's used it to clean itself. And I'm going to put the enhancer back in. Okay. Cover that up. Put the filter back in. Take the cap off. Now, because there's water in the cap, I'll put it in the bowl for a minute so all the water leaks out. I'm going to put the filter back in. You line up the holes of the filter, same as the cap, and you've got your ring, this plastic ring that kind of locks it into place, which I will then put back in. Turn. Now it's locked. Okay, you got to push it all the way in, make sure it's locked. That locks the filter in. Put the cover back on. It just slips on, just fits in nicely. They've made it really well. Okay, hit OK. Please remove the cleaning tank and reinstall the previous tank. Run the water to rinse the machine. So you got to run the water to rinse the machine from all the build up that it's cleaned. So I put a little, what I do is I put a little chopstick, put a little piece of wood. I actually used the end of a chopstick that I had, a wooden one, and I just cut it so I can stick it right in my little faucet there, handle, so it holds it, right? So you can do other things while you're running the water, okay? Or when I'm filling up big bottles. So there you go, it's going to run for 278 seconds remaining. And then it's ready to go. Alright, so hope that was good for everyone, and all the best with your newfound water machine that's going to make you so healthy. Take care everybody.